Add all the ingredients mentioned for the Thandai paste in a bowl. Grind it into a blender till you get a coarse texture, and then add water as per your requirements and grind it into a smooth paste. You can also soak the nuts overnight and use it, but this is just a quick method. Boil the milk till it starts bubbling, then add the Thandai paste and sugar and mix well. Make sure the bottom of the vessel doesn't burn, so you have to keep it on a slow flame. Reserve some hot milk before adding the Thandai paste. Into the hot milk, add few strands of saffron and keep it aside. Then add unsweetened mawa into the saffron infused milk and mix it thoroughly so that the mawa is properly dissolved in it. Add the mawa and saffron infused milk into the Thandai mixture and mix well. And cook it on a slow flame till it slightly thickens up. Once you get a desired consistency, that is slightly the thick consistency, you strain the mixture, so if any lumps are there you can discard it and let it cool. Once the mixture has cooled down, pour it into popsicle molds and freeze it for around 3 hours. After the kulfi has almost retained its shape, insert wooden sticks and freeze it overnight. Once it's frozen, demold it and garnish with chopped nuts and serve it as soon as possible.